Hi, I'm Tim Fields and I'm going to explain how to use Accentuate's theme extension features. Theme extensions are special meta fields that our team created to make meta fields easy to understand and apply for everyone. Accentuate offers 3 theme extensions for now, but keep an eye out for more that are coming soon. So, the features we made are the sticky promo bar that enables you to create custom banners, SEO keywords that lets you add keywords you believe to be useful to your product pages, and lastly, product promotion that helps you boost your average order value by upselling and cross-selling products. So, where to find them? Go to your online store and open your theme by clicking the Customize button. Find the product to which the meta fields can be applied. This here is the product we will do our demonstration on. When you locate where you want to put one of the theme extensions, the fun begins. First, we will demonstrate how to use the sticky promo bar. I want my banner to be at the top of my product page, so I will click on Add Section in the Template section. This way, my banner will be shown only on the product pages. If I wanted it to be visible throughout the store, I would add it in the header section. When I click on the Add section, a pop-up opens where you should click on the Apps section. Here you will see all of the features you can use directly from your theme from the apps you have downloaded to your store. Click on Sticky Promo Bar. In the sidebar, you will see all of the options Accentuate offers in order to make the banner you desire. On the top, we have space where you insert the text and link that you want to add to your banner. You can make coming soon announcements, highlight your discounts or free shipping. Basically, any type of information that you want your customers to know about. As you can see, there is an option to fix the banner to the top. You can decide which option suits your product pages the best. Next, we have the Banner Styling options section where you can customize the banner to your liking. Vertical padding lets you decide the height of the banner. Text size, the size of your text. Within the text color, you can choose whichever color you'd like. Here, you can pick the background color of the banner. If you prefer to have a design made and upload it, you can do it through the background image option. You can truly get creative here. You can make your own design or upload an image or GIF. In the background image fit, you can crop, repeat, or stretch the media you uploaded for the banner. Also, there is a countdown timer in this theme extension. Just enter the date and time you want the countdown to end. You can use this for sales or new product teasers. Here, you have the button styling options. You can change the content, text, and color of the button. There is also a custom CSS section if you would like to make it even more customized. Lastly, you might have noticed these buttons next to your stylizing options. This is the Connect to Dynamic Source button, where you can pull data from your existing meta fields. Just click on the button and select which meta field you want to reference. For example, here I can click on my URL meta field. This is particularly useful if you want to have consistent data throughout your store without having to do the same thing to each product. Now I'm going to explain our theme extension called SEO keywords. With this feature, you can create and display product-specific keywords directly on your product pages. It's great when you want to showcase some features of your product or highlight them. To insert SEO keywords feature into your storefront product page, you first have to locate where you want them to go. So I will click on Add Block in the place I want my keywords to be shown. When I click on the Add Block, a pop-up opens where you should click on the Apps section, and then click on SEO keywords. In the sidebar, you will see all of the customization options Accentuate offers. In the title and source box, you can type in the content that you'd like, or you can click on the Connect Dynamic Source button to reference your category meta fields. Category meta fields help you add important information to your products based on their specific categories in Shopify. This is how category meta fields look on my product page. I will reference clothing features. To reference it, I click on the Connect Dynamic Source button and then click on Clothing Features. If you need more information about category meta fields, we have an article on it on our blog. In this section, you can play with the options to stylize it to be compatible with the rest of your storefront. The last, but not least, theme extension is Products Promotion. To place it on your storefront, click on Add Block and select ACF Products Promotion. In the sidebar, you can adjust the setting how you'd like. In the heading box, you should type in the name of the section. For example, related products, similar finds you may like, items from the same collection, and so on. You can manually select which products will be shown, or you can click on the Connect Dynamic Source button and reference the appropriate meta field. We have a tutorial on how to take advantage of this option. These options allow you to personalize the product's promotion section, customize the way products appear by adjusting settings such as showing secondary images on hover, setting maximum products to display, and aligning items. You can also fine-tune layouts for desktop and mobile. Define the number of elements per row for desktop or columns for mobile views. Further, control the visual spacing with padding adjustments, and even apply custom CSS for a fully tailored design experience. And that wraps up this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful and are excited to personalize your storefront with Accentuate. If you have any questions or need assistance, our team is here for you with 24/7 support. Don't hesitate to reach out, we're always happy to help. Thanks for watching.